So today we are sorting seeds, and we got a generous donation from Johnny Seeds, and so Milton is going to tell you all about that.
Hey everybody, it's Milton Craft organization. Today I want to give a special thanks to Johnny Seeds for the generous donation to our organization. So let me show you what they sent us. They sent us a great bunch of seeds. We've got squash, cucumbers, spinach, okra, so many great wonderful seeds in here. So thank you so much for that. And look what else we got. We got a nice bag to carry all of our seeds in. This bag is going to be so helpful in going out to plant these seeds. And one more thing we got is a growing garden seeds guide. Everybody needs one of these. So if you don't have one, be sure to contact Johnny Seeds to get you one. And it's really great. So thank you so much, Johnny Seeds, for this generous donation to Craft Organization. We really appreciate it, and happy growing to everyone.
Yes, special thanks to Johnny Seeds for all of these amazing gifts. This is going to go well in the urban oasis in our urban garden. And so we thought we'd take you behind the scenes and kind of show you a little bit about what goes on when we're doing these fall planning sessions, when we're doing these spring sessions for planning what we're going to plant in the garden, right? You can plant year round depending on your where you are, and so we can do that here. We actually do sit down and go through all our seeds, and we do planning where we sit down and we do a layout of, hubby does a layout of what the garden's going to look like, and we talk about where we want things to go, the companion planting, what goes together and what doesn't, what grows well together, what doesn't, what grows well during a particular season. And you're probably doing that too if you're growing or if you have a garden. And so we thought we take you along the process of other things that farmers do, because it's not just about chopping down weeds. It's not just about going through and tilling up the soil and planting seeds. It's also about organization and planning and preparation. So gardening takes a lot of mental capacity as well. It takes a lot of strategy and planning. And so join us for this planning strategy session in the garden.
Hey everybody, it's Milton Craft organization. Today I want to give a special thanks to Johnny Seeds for the generous donation to our organization. So let me show you what they sent us. They sent us a great bunch of seeds. We've got squash, cucumbers, spinach, okra, so many great wonderful seeds in here. So thank you so much for that. And look what else we got. We got a nice bag to carry all of our seeds in. This bag is going to be so helpful in going out to plant these seeds. And one more thing we got is a growing garden seeds guide. Everybody needs one of these. So if you don't have one, be sure to contact Johnny Seeds to get you one. And it's really great. So thank you so much, Johnny Seeds, for this generous donation to Craft Organization. We really appreciate it, and happy growing to everyone. All right, so we're gonna get everything laid out today with our seeds. So this is kind of our little outline. You can kind of see it here. So we're gonna show you the complete outline when we finish, but this is our working draft for today. And we have like 6 areas where we're gonna put all of our herbs in for this specific plot out there in the garden. So our peppers, our garlic, and so on are going to go right here. So we're going to lay them out according to where they go. And then when we finish, we'll show you the complete look of what that looks like inside of the area. So hey, happy growing, and hope you have a great garden layout for all the things you're trying to do.
All right, guys, so let me show you a couple of the things that we're going to be planting. I'm just reaching for him. Milton showed you the plan. He's the planner. He always knows where things are and what we're growing. And so got some pepper seeds. These are from So Right Seeds. I've left a link below. And so this is one of my favorite seed companies. And so I've left a link below if you'd like to buy from them. We're also going to do some bunching onions. We've got some seeds that were donated to us, another favorite seed company from Garden Trend. So we're really excited about that. These are pepper Dante. We've done some of these peppers before over the winter, but they didn't quite make it. So we'll try them again. They are beautiful. We've got some chives that we will be growing from Burpee Seeds. Got some red Creole onions. Whew, that looks good. I'm ready for a hamburger already. We've got some more onions. Everyone has a seed bank or seed library that's going to be in the area, and our seed library is at the Memphis Public Library. So if you're in 901 or near here, you can go to the library and pick up some seeds. And we've got a bunch of other stuff that we're going to be planting, and so we are grateful for donations from seeds, from being able to buy seeds. And so, yeah, we're excited. And a special thanks again to Johnny Seeds for your donations. This is amazing. So let's start sorting and planting. And let us know how you plan when you grow your seeds. Onions.
Red Creole, bunching. So let's go through and find some
Onions. All right. Okay.
Put your cup over there so you don't flip on cup over there.
Okay, hubby's saying move my water.
Yeah.
Although this is a better space for my water.
I'll put it over there so it doesn't flip over. Alright, so let's go through and find some onions. Here we go.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, here's some more peppers. Got some red California. Can I say the word California Wonders? Those are gonna be nice.
Onions,
Those look pretty. Okay. What other? I've got chives. I think I already showed you those. And then these are some yellow sweet Spanish onions. That's gonna be yummy.
Okay.
So we'll keep sorting, guys. In that, we've got, so in that bed, let me come around. Hubby and I have been sorting. So in this bed, we're going to put the pepper dantes. I think there's all pepper dantes. We won't need all those. We've got some onions, more pepper dantes. We've got some sweet peppers, some more sweet peppers. Are these all sweet peppers? Some California Wonders, and yeah, another California Wonders. I think leeks can go back there. If I'm wrong, just let me know. We got some parsnips. I think they can go back there. Chives are definitely gonna go back there. And let's see, what else? I think that's it. And then for the herbs, we hadn't quite figured out what herbs we're actually going to put back there, but I think it'll be a good place. We've got some radishes already back there, so we'll probably add a few radishes and beets as well. It'll be interesting to try this daikon radish, which is a Japanese radish, so that'll be one of our first times. We've got some really pretty colorful beets. Oh, there's the eggplant that we were looking for. And we might even put some eggplant. Hubby was talking about eggplant, so we might put some of those back there as well. I'm a fan of the radish leaves, so if you see me planting radishes, that's why I'm doing it. And then, because I like the leaves, and then we might put a few flowers back there, so we'll see. But I think that's it. You guys, I don't have any garlic, and I think hubby was saying we started garlic too late.
Yeah, we waited a little too late to plant the garlic. So, but we do have some garlic that's already out there. So it'll be ready probably in a month. So we will have some elephant garlic soon.
Very soon. Exciting, y'all. Okay, and then these are our veggies that will go in other beds. So we'll have to get to those. We got some more flowers that hubby got. So that's gonna be really pretty. So we got tomatoes for other beds, basil, got some lemon basil. We got all kinds of good stuff. I think we're kind of ready to plant. Hubby's gonna do what is it? A salad garden? You were saying you're gonna do a salad garden? So
yeah, you should have some salad patties, but I don't see them. But
here they are. They're arugula. We got some much arugula. We got some lettuce. Got cabbage. We'll probably put all those together. And then for the herbs, we've got borage, we got lemon basil, we got sage, got some spearmint, and a host of other herbs. So we'll have to pick through the herbs and see. And then for lettuces, we've got Swiss chard. So I'm just showing you a little bit of all the seeds that we have so far. And I don't think this is all of them. There's some more because I know Gina sent me some seeds. But what'd you say?
you got some pumpkin and okra seeds coming.
Yeah, pumpkin and okra seeds coming. But, and hubby's definitely sorting more seeds here. So, yeah, we'll get these all sorted and get our plan all together. And we'll start working the plan. So what are you doing now, Mr. Craft?
Writing all of the seeds that we're gonna plant down so I can go into the computer and update our inventory list that these are no longer there. So you always want to keep track of what you have and where you plant it. So on the computer we have a diagram of the layout of the garden. So I'll input these into that computer and make sure we subtract them from our seed catalog.
Awesome. Hard working over here. Hubby printed these companion planting guides, and so I can leave a link so that you can get some of these guides that Hubby planted. We've used these with our classes before, and so I'll let Hubby tell you all about the companion planting and how it works.
All right. Sirens going off. Okay, so the sirens are going off outside, so it had me pause for a minute. But so we've got everything we're gonna do for our little section of herbs and peppers. So one of the things you have to keep in mind is companion planting. Some things go well together, some things don't. So always check your companion planting sheets and charts and guides to make sure you don't put something like 2 root vegetables or things like that they're gonna be fighting for soil, so you don't wanna put those together. So like we have onions here, and a great companion plant for onions is carrots, and beets are very good for that. And with your peppers, what's good for them? Basil. Basil is very good to go with peppers. And then your chives and things like that, they'll be fine. And we'll plant some leeks. So just make sure you check what's compatible with what, because you don't want anything fighting for that great soil and those great roots once you put them in the ground. So we've got some things lined out here, and hopefully it'll work out. And then we'll let you know how it goes. So the companion plants, from what I understand, and we're kind of doing a test this year, will keep away certain bugs and pests while encouraging other good things to come and to help fruit the vegetables that we have and the herbs, because the herbs will keep away pests, and then we'll have a great harvest, so we'll see. All right, guys, so this is Synolve. Hope you guys are doing well. Love you guys so much. Thank you for joining us for this video. We are going to be planting, and so I hope you enjoyed us here doing our planning and planting and all the things, seeds that we are planting. And so hubby and I are working. He's gotten tired now because we've been working hard. So we are going to be planting these seeds, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed us planning and also working here to sort the seeds. And so thank you so much for joining us. That was like a long, rambling kind of extra, what's that called? Outro. But anyway, how be thou ever. I'm glad you're here. And guys, I will see you in another video soon. The next time you see us, we'll actually be planting in the garden. So I love you guys so much. Hope you guys are having an amazing day.